This is top-down TopScan J2534 adapter that will transform your phone into a professional scan tool. With TopScan you can access all control modules, read data in all modules, do bidirectional tests in all modules, and also service procedures. So it is basically same like around $500 scan tools. You got all the functionality, but for a fraction of the price. Now to use it, download TopScan app. It is for iOS and Androids, and I will show you what it can do. Let's plug our TopScan in OBD2 port. Okay, so this is how it looks inside TopScan app. So you can go straight to this readiness. This will perform a smoke check. Well, before you do anything, you need to pair device. Do a little update. And now I can use my TopScan. Okay, so smoke check or IM readiness. This will check your exhaust and emission systems to let you know if everything is okay with the engine. With this car, there is not everything okay, so TopScan should be able to detect it. And I got failed emission inspection check. So as expected, TopScan's verdict is that I wouldn't pass emission inspection, and now I can see which system has problem. Now in case if you are wondering if your TopScan will be able to do some specific procedure for some exact car make and model, you can fill out this form where we input vehicle details, function you need, for example active test, so bidirectional testing, and then it will start pulling out all control modules where I will be able to do bidirectional testing also with your engine type, so you get access to their database of features. Now for service procedures, the TopScan knows 8 of them. This is TopScan Lite. If you buy TopScan Pro, you will get 5 more. But these are the most common ones, and I think these are enough for any home mechanic, because you got oil reset, throttle adaptation, electronic brake calipers opening, steering angle sensor calibration, ABS bleeding, DPF regeneration, battery registration, and airbag reset. So all important ones. And then you also got access to diagnostic library, so you got DTC repair guide. This is not that special, it is in every tool. However, I really like how it is done in TopScan. For example, if I go find Fiat, is here even Fiat? No, don't have Fiat, but maybe you can input generic or other. If I search, for example, for code PO500, which I already have in this car, I will get fairly good repair guide. I got code description and repair report and also repair steps to take. Now it is not bad in this TopScan. However, if you need repair guide for certain DTC, you can get better guide if you go to imcarhacker.com. This is my website, and on this main page you just input your code, for example PO500, search. You will get code definition, possible causes, diagnostic steps, and then when you go to this more information, you will get really extended guide to fix this issue. So just a suggestion, next time you have fault code, just go to imcarhacker.com. But back to TopScan. I already tried a lot of these J2534 scanners that are basically scan tools in your smartphone, and it got all the functionality like others. It can scan all modules, read live data in all modules, which I am using for determining real mileage of car, because you can go to all module and check mileage in multiple control modules. Bidirectional testing works same like with any other bidirectional scanner, and it can do really good diagnostic report. So I will show you, we can do full scan. I will have to download software. You can do this at once. When you will buy TopScan, just update all of the makes at once. But right now I will just do Fiat. It is very quick, and I already got installed software for Fiat, establishing communication. Punto 188, this is my model, 1.2, 8 ventil, auto scan, scan. Now my scan is completed, I have fault in all modules. Let me show you the diagnostic report, because this is what I really liked about this scanner. Check it out, you can fully customize this report. I will call it diagnostic punto. We can input vehicle year, even distance traveled, VIN number, and bunch of other information. Include our own notes. Not every scanner will offer you that. This is why I really like TopScan for doing used car inspections. So we can write custom note. We can even include our own pictures. Now confirm it, and it will generate full diagnostic report with all faults, all modules scanned, our own notes, and even with our own pictures. Now I will save it print it out and I will show you how great it looks. Just check out this report. Very professional looking. All control modules even include your own pictures you can take. I have full PDF that explains how to do it and also gives you full diagnostic checklist of things you need to look at when buying used vehicle. Full PDF guide to do this will be linked below. Go download it. So top-down TopScan is full professional scan tool in your smartphone. You got all the features, and what I liked the most was using this scanner for used car inspections because it can generate really nice looking professional diagnostic reports. If you want to know a little bit more about this scanner or even buy it, link to buy will be in description and link to read more information on my website will also be in the description.